getting good progress. And okay, so we created this section, and let's see what's left in the home page. We have to create this section. We have to create this section, and I'm pretty sure this would be some other section maybe. uh, it's kind of simple, I guess. It's just reviews, and like this seems to be uh, I would say a logo slider, a basic logo slider. And we had that logo thing coming up, logo list, which is this logo list. The only thing here is with the logo list, I need to create multiple logos. So like it's kind of a maybe an image, just like so it can be something very similar to, yeah, this. I think so. It is uh, Instagram. Yeah. So probably we will see if we can add something from apps. Do we have any app which shows Instagram thing? No, it doesn't show Instagram thing. What we'll do is basically Instagram is what, like this this whole thing, they go to Instagram, and it's just the Instagram images, and I think so it's the carousel thing, right. Okay, so let's see what others have to say. Oh, yeah. What others are doing. So right, so they have this, and yeah, I guess for the home page we need this stuff, uh, and this is very similar to rich text. I guess this is rich text. So if we see uh, here, we have rich text, and rich text with top reviews. I guess that's what it is, right? And below that is I guess some slider, I guess. Yes, it's a slider. So let's go to section, and rich text with reviews. All right, we'll create rich text with reviews. So we'll just copy whatever we have over here, rich text. So you are seeing the point that we are basically mostly copying and pasting things. So rich uh, text reviews, right? So it's just section name, which we can name it as like this, and so save it, and we can refresh this. Add our image text with, not, this is not image text, but that is rich text reviews. Okay, so now in this rich text reviews we have to also add one more block. So that block would be you might guess it right now, you might have guessed it right. So that would be the star rating. So the same way we did for image block, we'll just uh, use this block. So that's star rating, type star rating, and yeah, we'll just copy this. We'll just copy this, and in rich text we'll go down, 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 down. Oh no, rich text with reviews will go down, blocks, and um, below this I'll add this thing. Okay, so we do have one star ratings thing, uh, and also we will apply a condition when so when star when star, so we'll just uh, copy this whole thing, so something like this. Yeah, okay. So so about this, right? So yeah, so let's see if it is working now. Let's save it and let's add a block. We have the star ratings, and we can scroll this up, and this should not be a P, and we can give it rating 4.5 or something, whatever we want at the moment. But uh, let's see if there is any issues which are coming up. So I'll check that issues, but we have this, and I'm just gonna copy this part because mostly this part is copied. So 4.8, 4.7, and I'm gonna refresh this and see if we have yeah, we have this 4.7 and a rich text block, something like this, with the button. The button color can be changed anytime, so we need not to worry about that. So I'm not sure we need this block because this is just something random, so I'm just gonna ignore this block. So this doesn't look nice as well. So uh, things are going good, and we have, yeah, this block I think. So we need uh, what is this block for? So emotive headline goes here. So they are talking about something like this, right? I guess. Yes. So we will create something like this, and a button, so uh, so basically they want something very similar to this, I think. So this part what they did was like this. All right, so yeah, I'll create something very similar to this because that's one thing which we can copy, and yes, it's going to be looking good. I'm gonna make sure that that looks good. See, the first thing is we create the structure of the website. That's really important. We create structure, and then we move on to the development part. Like we not the development, but the design part. So we need this part now. All right. So this part can be like image gallery. So image gallery. mm, image grid gallery don. We'll search image grid gallery don theme. Somebody might have uh, created that, so we can use that. If that's grid layout, we don't need the collage layout. We don't need the collage layout, we just need this grid layout. I don't need this, I just need a grid layout. It's just a simple grid, what I'm talking about. So dawn theme grid images gallery. So this is already there. Photo gallery, dawn theme, add a photo gallery. Did someone do this? Get up image grid topics. It doesn't show. Photo grid, no. Right, I don't see anything related to the grid gallery, so I'm gonna create it from scratch, so that like it's very similar to the logo list, because the logo list is uh, is what we have. So what I'll do is I'll name it as Instagram reviews, Instagram images, and I'm gonna copy the logo thing, copy this, and Instagram images, and it should be Instagram images, and yeah, I'm gonna make some changes over here as we go, so that's not an issue. So I'll make it as 8, and I'm gonna move the title, which was here, up as it was before. So it would be H1, and it's not titles, H1, right? So yeah, and default image list, image width, and image, and that should be image, and that should be logo image. We don't have that logo image. So let's see. Okay, Control Z, Control Y. So we have this logo image. We'll name it to well, The name is okay. Save it. I'll save it. Because that might confuse the client. That what is it? We'll have to rename it later on, but now we have Instagram images. We have the Instagram images with the logos. Can we add more? Yes, we can add more, we can add more, and we can add more. Let's add the images from over here. So inspect, and I'll get the images. I'm just gonna get the so I'll get one image. Okay, very good. So I'll take this image. Open image in a new tab, save image, and yeah, I'll use this image. I will use this image and delete. Oh fuck! Sorry. Control Z, 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 Z. Okay. Now I will delete this, and in this I'll add logo, image, not logo but this image, so that it looks somewhat like yeah. Then we can okay, I need a square image actually, so that's why I was focusing on a square image. But let's see if we have Instagram opened, and can I get some square images. Some square images. Search for nature and images. I need images. Posts. This is okay for me. Okay. Square images. Men's. Okay. So square images. I've got some square images. Good square images. So we have this. No, this is not a square. This doesn't seem to be a square image. Tools, size, color, usage type, any type. Okay, yeah, this image seems to be good to me. Image in a new tab and save it. So I'll remove this and I'll use this guy's image. And I'm gonna duplicate this now. Duplicate, 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 and duplicate. Let's see, duplicate, duplicate. Is there a limit? Duplicate. So in the end what we need is it should be somewhat a slider, I guess, a carousel, which can be which can slide left to right. So that's what we are going to create, but for that we need more images, so I'll just duplicate this. So Instagram images, and medium width is large. Let's make it larger. Does it affect anything? Does it do anything? So it doesn't do anything. So maximum width, make it 220 pixels, and image 60 by okay. So let's save it. uh, let's see, we have this image grid coming up. So that's a carousel which should be below below FAQ. So let's put it below FAQ. This rich text should be, this shipping bar should be at the bottom actually. So we make it at the bottom, and this should be here, below here, right? So we have this image list, and it should not have a title. So that's okay. We have this image list. We are going to make this as a carousel, so we need to write some JavaScript over here. So in order to convert this into a carousel, probably, let's see if we can do something without going into much of the carousel thing. So we can make it flex, and yeah, the flex would be okay. And yeah, let's make it into a carousel which can be slided. All right, so that's what we are going to do.